To the zebras at all. In fact, it's the only living relative to the giraffe. Alright, we're gonna head over to the watering hole. I know it doesn't look like much, but water is a hot commodity here in Africa, so a lot of animals will congregate around here. If you look off to the left, you can see one of those animals. That's a saddle-billed stork, one of the tallest storks. It can stand up to 5 feet tall. But the animal we really are looking for is the black rhino. Oh, and I see it walking up on the hill. Let's see here. Where'd you go? Oh, it would disappear now. Make me a liar. All right, black rhino are a very endangered species. There's only about 5,000 of them left in the world, and this is due to poaching. They're poaching their horn, which is made out of keratin, the same thing that your hair and fingernails are made out of, so it grows throughout their lifetime. But if a horn is completely removed, it cannot grow back. We might be able to catch another view of the black rhino that I saw walking behind the bushes. Up above, let's see. Oh, very poly-poly, very slow. There it is. That's the black rhino. Like I mentioned, there's only 5,000 of these guys left in the world. They can weigh up to 3,000 pounds. Now, if you look up on the hill, on your left, you'll see a bongo. They're also called the ghosts of the forest because they can be very hard to spot. Those white stripes help break up their silhouette in the trees. All the way farther back as we go by, you're going to see a lighter brown animal. That's the greater kudu, second tallest antelope in Africa. Again, they also have those white stripes to break up their silhouette. We're going to head towards Safi River, home of the hippos. Now, hippos typically spend their days in the water because it's cooler and they come out at night to eat. You can eat around 100 pounds of grass every night. Look out the right side. It's a bit cooler today, so we can see a hippo outside of the water. Might be asleep. Now we can't stop here.
Son gallinazos.
Now they share their habitat with a lot of shorebirds, the largest of which can be seen on this island to the left, the pink-backed pelican. We have another group of hippos here in the water, swimming underneath the water. Now hippos can hold their breath for 5 to 8 minutes. And they don't typically swim. What they do is they sink down to the bottom and walk along the bottom of the river. Now a group of hippos is called a bloat. So we have found a bloat of hippos. Now I know the pelicans don't look very pink right now, but during breeding season their feathers do turn pink. Now, the smallest species of pelican are pink-backed pelicans. Got a hippo outside of the water again. Look out the left side. One walking around. There's one sleeping in the water. Like I said, a bloat of hippos. Got a whole group of them here. Now we're gonna cross the bridge. It's old, but it's safe. Just everyone remain seated. These animals below are carnivores.
Wow.
These are the Nile crocodiles. They can get up to 20 feet long and have enough pressure in their bite. Please sit down. To snap bone. The savannah. Completely different ecosystem. There's a lot less trees here. There's a lot more grass. One of the trees we will be able to see is called a baobab tree. Now the baobab tree is also called the upside down tree because it looks like the roots are on top. So as we turn the corner, look out.